if the depositor himself would do it. There's no secrecy law in this country, monetary secrecy law, that prohibits or inhibits or proscribes the depositor from revealing his own deposit. What is prohibited is for third parties to reveal it, and that's why they're penalized. But the depositor is not. Now, that's my next question. Now, the next question is this. The first sentence of Section 70, Article 11 of the Constitution. Do you consider that sentence as a mandatory provision that requires to be obeyed by a public officer or public employee of the Republic of the Philippines?
The way I recall, Your Honor, the provision, it is a general statement.
I will state it to you. A public officer or employee shall, upon assumption of office, and as often thereafter as may be provided by law, submit a declaration under oath of his assets, liabilities, and net worth, period. Do you consider that a command of the people, or was it something that can be disregarded?
I do not think it is something that can be disregarded, Your Honor.
It must be obeyed.
Correct, Your Honor. But when there are rights that arises from a different law, Your Honor, I do not see any reason as to why it cannot be availed of by in this particular instance, the depositor, Your Honor. Why the law had granted that is beyond my comprehension, Your Honor. That is a legislative function. The policy behind it may only be known to the legislators themselves. I am not privileged, neither can I divine or phantom the reason behind it, Your Honor.
Well,
all I know...
That will be our function. We're just asking if you have any notion about it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Now, my next question is, if it is a command, a sovereign command, Austinian concept of command, if it is a sovereign command, will disobedience of that command constitute a culpable violation of the Constitution?
Well, I would not be in a position to do so, Your Honor, or to make a statement to that unless the actual true facts surrounding the circumstances are known to me, because that will be a matter of conjecture or a surmise on the part of my part.
The Constitution speaks of culpable violation. Now, I'm sure all of us graduates of UP went through a study of Roman law.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right? What is culpa? From where culpable was derived?
I mean, intentional, Your Honor.
Huh?
Intentional, Your Honor. Culpa.
No.
No intent, Your Honor.
Culpa. What is culpa?
Crime, Your Honor. The way I call it.
There are four kinds of culpa. Culpa lata or magna, culpa levi, culpa levissima, culpa aquiliana.
I am not...
Now, we go to elementary school book in Roman law. What is culpa?
Well, I am not, as of this moment, Your Honor, I am not very well in a position to recall. Maybe I was absent when it was discussed by my professor, Your Honor.
Well, that's your bad luck.
And besides...
And I think that this is material in the consideration of this provision of the Constitution. What is the difference between culpa and dolus?
Culpa, if